I'm going. This is one of these narrow tracks coming up, or less than 4 meters wide apparently. Coming through the tree, yeah, it's coming through the woodland here on the underside of it. Oh, this is still cracking riding, I gotta say. I'm still lovely riding. But, you know, I wonder if there's a little stop-off point, like another face-to-face. There's the... Alright, is it that way or is it that way? I think down here, or up here. This is saying this is single wrong one. Yeah, wrong one. Go to the top, turn back. There we go. Down the hill we go. So, and you know, this is probably going to be cut up into lots of little different videos. If I had to have this one continuous video, it would just be hard going, because it'd be stop start, off some interesting roads, off some interesting roads, or making loads of mistakes, or coming to dead ends and stuff. So okay, so this is like another single track, and it is going in the right kind of direction. Don't really have a clue to how far we're going. So that is, yeah, okay. Okay, so that's it. There we go, up the hill we go. Right, there's some cracking places up here. Really tucked away out of the way. Lovely, love it. I love this sort of riding. As I say, you know, this is the kind of rider you can get out into the countryside, see everything. You're totally off the beaten track. Takes you on roads, and usually away from traffic. You know, usually away from any kind of traffic. And even if there's traffic, it's only a couple of people going slowly, so it's not like a big deal. Now, see what this is. Because this is not one of those, do you know what, I don't think it's that bad. Look, and again, this is a track that you can get down, you know, with, do you know what, I would hate to say any bike. Yeah, of course you would, no problem at all. Hold on. What's going on here? Oh, I totally made the wrong turning again. Jesus. And there's a sign there saying no motorbikes or vehicles or any car. Right, I know where I went wrong now. nice around here. It's lovely. I mean, look at it. You know, come over here, a bit of a picnic. Beautiful, beautiful. Very nice. Nice lean on the back brake here, bit on the front brake.